If you're a homeowner in Lexington, Kentucky, looking to save money on energy bills while enhancing the comfort of your home, energy-efficient windows should be at the top of your list. Properly installed energy-efficient windows offer significant benefits, from reducing heating and cooling costs to improving the overall comfort of your living space. Here's why energy-efficient windows are a smart investment and how proper installation can help you maximize these benefits. What makes windows energy efficient? Energy-efficient windows are designed to minimize heat transfer between the interior and exterior of your home. They feature advanced materials and technologies that improve insulation and reduce the amount of energy required to maintain a comfortable temperature inside. Key features that contribute to their efficiency include multi-pane glass, low-E coatings, gas fills, and insulated frames. Multi-pane glass windows, for example, have 2 or more layers of glass, which create insulating air spaces that help reduce heat loss in the winter and keep your home cooler in the summer. Low-E coatings are thin layers of metallic oxide that reflect heat while still allowing light to pass through, improving temperature regulation inside your home. Additionally, some windows are filled with gases like argon or krypton, which provide superior insulation compared to air alone. The financial benefits of energy-efficient windows. Investing in energy-efficient windows can lead to significant long-term savings. In Lexington's climate, where temperatures can vary drastically between the hot summer and cold winter months, these windows help keep your home comfortable without overworking your HVAC system. As a result, you'll notice lower heating and cooling bills, especially in peak seasons. Energy-efficient windows also increase the overall value of your home. When buyers see that the property has been upgraded with modern, energy-saving features, it can be a major selling point. In a competitive real estate market like Lexington, energy-efficient windows can make your home more attractive to potential buyers, potentially leading to a quicker sale at a higher price. The importance of proper installation. While choosing high-quality energy-efficient windows is crucial, their performance heavily depends on the quality of installation. Even the most advanced window won't deliver its intended benefits if it isn't properly installed. Improper installation can lead to air leaks, moisture problems, and poor sealing, all of which undermine the window's energy efficiency. One of the most common installation errors is poor sealing around the window frame. If there are gaps or spaces between the window and the wall, outside air can enter, causing your heating or cooling system to work harder. This not only increases your energy consumption but can also lead to drafts, uneven temperatures, and a less comfortable indoor environment. Hiring a professional window installer with experience in energy-efficient windows is crucial to ensure proper fitting and sealing. An experienced installer will also be able to assess your home's unique needs and recommend the best window options for your specific climate and energy goals. Choosing the right window installer in Lexington. When selecting a window installation company in Lexington, it's important to do some research. Look for companies that specialize in energy-efficient windows and have a proven track record of successful installations. Reading customer reviews and requesting estimates can help you make an informed decision. Professional installers will ensure that the windows are measured accurately and installed with the proper tools and techniques. They will also be able to provide guidance on window care and maintenance, ensuring your investment continues to pay off over the years. The bottom line: save money with energy-efficient windows. Energy-efficient windows are an investment that pays off over time, both in comfort and savings. By reducing the strain on your HVAC system, these windows help lower your utility bills, allowing you to save money for other home improvement projects or personal needs. However, to achieve maximum benefits, it's essential to ensure that the windows are installed correctly. In Lexington, where temperature fluctuations are a reality, the installation of energy-efficient windows offers homeowners a smart way to save on energy costs while improving the value and comfort of their homes. With the right windows and professional installation, you can enjoy a more energy-efficient home that's not only cost-effective but also environmentally friendly. If you're considering upgrading your windows, take the time to choose quality products and hire experienced installers who can ensure that your windows perform at their best. In the long run, your home will be more comfortable, and your energy bills will be significantly lower.